In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue in Premiere Pro where it says the Media Encoder is not installed. So typically, this error is an issue where you have a different version of Premiere Pro to the Media Encoder. So in order to fix this, you need to head over to your Start menu, search for Adobe Creative Cloud and click on the application like so. Once you've opened up the app, click on Updates from the right-hand side, and then you'll just need to install any updates here for both Premiere Pro and also the Media Encoder. So you can see at the moment, my Premiere Pro is version 24.6.4, and my Media Encoder is also the same 24.6.4. So if we update one of these, we need to make sure we update the other one as well. So I'm just going to click on update for both of these apps like so, and then you can head back over to Premiere Pro and check if that's solved the issue. Now, if it's still not working, what you'll need to do is head back over to Creative Cloud, click on apps from the left-hand side, click on home from the left-hand side, and then select apps from the right. Then we're going to scroll down until you see the Media Encoder, and we're going to click on these three horizontal dots and then press uninstall. Once you've uninstalled the Media Encoder, you can then uninstall Premiere Pro as well. Make sure to do it in this order. Once both of the applications are uninstalled, you can then proceed to install and download Premiere Pro. Make sure to install Premiere Pro first, as this will automatically install Media Encoder. So once you've done that, that should have then fixed any issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.